Creating a 3D model of a guitar body in SolidWorks can be a complex process, but I can certainly guide you through the general steps. Please note that this is a simplified overview, and you might need to refer to SolidWorks documentation or tutorials for more detailed guidance. Step 1. Reference images. Gather reference images of the guitar body from different angles. These will help you ensure accuracy during the modeling process. Step 2. Create a new part. Open SolidWorks and create a new part file. Step 3. Sketch the guitar outline. Use the Sketches feature to draw the outline of the guitar body on the top plane. This outline will serve as the basis for creating the body shape. Step 4. Create base feature. Use the sketch you created to extrude a basic shape that represents the thickness of the guitar body. Step 5. Add details. Now start adding details such as cutaways, curves, and bevels using various sketch tools like splines, arcs, and lines. Step 6. Fillets and chamfers. Add fillets and chamfers to smooth the edges and transitions between different surfaces of the guitar body. Step 7. Bridge and pickup cavities. Create additional sketches to add cavities for the bridge, pickups, and any other hardware. Extrude or cut these features accordingly. Step 8. Fine-tune surfaces. Use the surfacing tools to create smoother transitions and complex curves, especially around the cutaway areas. Step 9. Holes and fittings. Add any screw holes, bolt holes, and fittings needed for attaching hardware to the guitar body. Step 10. Finishing touches. Review your model and make any necessary adjustments to ensure accuracy and symmetry. Step 11. Materials and textures. Apply appropriate materials and textures to your model to give it a realistic appearance. Step 12. Render and presentation. Use the rendering tools in SolidWorks to create high-quality renderings of your guitar body model. You can also consider creating exploded views or animations to showcase different features. Step 13. Save and export. Once you're satisfied with your model, save it in the desired format.